Hi, this is Steve, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix problems with your audio using artificial intelligence. Now, did you ever record something where the audio wasn't quite as good as you'd like it to be? So, for example, if I move this microphone away from the quality position that it's in right now, and I move it away here at this 30-second point so that it's well out of reach there, you'll have noticed the volume has gone down, but what has also happened is that echo has appeared. Now, if I just give you a little 5-second countdown here, and I'll leave the microphone exactly where it is so you can hear what happens when we fix things. So I'm not going to move the microphone at all, but we're going to continue to speak, and from the countdown of 5, you'll hear the change of the audio when I enhance it using artificial intelligence. So here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we've enhanced the audio from this point forward, even though I haven't moved the microphone at all. So here's how you do that and how you fix your audio in this way. Down in the description, you'll find a link to this Adobe podcast website. And what you'll need to do is come along to this site, and here you'll create a free account. This is a totally free service from Adobe. Create a free account here, and then what you do is from your video editing software or audio software is simply extract the audio file and drop it here in the drag and drop audio where you see on the screen here. You can drop the file here. So we're going to actually do that right now. I'm going to pause the video and make the edit to this file so that we can actually then continue with this part of the process so you can actually see it enhance this audio file. So what we do is drag and drop the audio file that we want to enhance here to get the artificial intelligence to fix this problem. And we'll just wait while this happens. Can take, depending on the length of your file, obviously could take quite a long time. I think you can do up to about an hour here, but it's truly fantastic. So I'm just going to pause this video and wait for this enhancement to happen, then we'll come right back. So now that's ready, we just click on download here. Save it wherever you want on your computer. I'm going to just put that on my desktop here. And then what you do is pull that into your video editing software, ready for use, of course. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you'd slap a like on it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more helpful tips and tutorials like this. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching.